Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 134,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 11 miles per gallon in the city, and 14 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, OnStar, and power windows.